Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 2nd. I'm going to be analyzing Ethereum, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the monthly time frame, just like Bitcoin, I still think this looks like a 1, 2, 3. I think we're most likely in a wave 4, which I think needs to go down quite a bit more before it actually goes up and makes a wave 5. I think eventually it probably will go up and test these highs, but by the looks of it, I think we're probably at least a month or two away from it continuing back up. So going down to the weekly time frame, I think most likely we're in a wave B right now. Kind of looks like this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A. Kind of looks like impulsive up, corrective down. I think it does need to go down a little bit more, but I wouldn't be surprised if it did go up to finish off a wave B and then eventually down for a wave C before it actually did finish this big wave 4 and continue up for the wave 5 like I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I definitely don't see any reason to think this move down is over. And looking at Bitcoin, I mean, there definitely is a possibility that it just keeps on making lower lows, lower highs. But I do have my Fibonacci retracement on this last push up right here. If it does go down to a fib level, if it does make a impulsive move up with a breaker structure, I personally would definitely take that as a long, probably for a wave C of wave B. A, B, and C of wave B is what it seems like it should be doing next. But if it doesn't go up and if it doesn't break structure or make a double bottom at a fib level, I would continue to look for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, it looks like to me like a possible end of a correction. I mean, this looks like impulsive up wave A. I think what we happened is we made a running flat wave B. 1, 2, 3 waves down A, 1, 2, 3 waves up B, and then downtrend for a C. Higher high wave C, higher high wave B. I think that's a running flat wave B, and then I think this impulsive move up is likely a wave C. If that is a complete ABC correction, then it needs to go down and continue to make lower lows, lower highs. If it doesn't continue to make lower lows, lower highs, then I would definitely stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs. But right now, unless you see a nice breaker structure to the upside, which we definitely don't have, I would personally would be looking for shorts at the end of every pullback I see, especially on these shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we are definitely making lower lows, lower highs. If this really is a wave C, then it definitely will continue to make lower lows, lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low. Maybe it will go up, but lower high. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. As long as it continues this lower low, lower high pattern, preferably on like the 4 hour and daily time frame, I personally would be looking for shorts every single chance I get. Every single pullback I get, I would be looking at my Fibonacci retracement. I would be looking for 3 waves up and impulsive moves down at Fibonacci levels to go short again for the continuation of this bigger downtrend, which still could be a correction to the move up like I was showing on the daily time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.